Is your PS5 controller feeling a little sluggish? Today, we're diving into how to update your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller and get it running smoother than ever. First, grab your PS5 and your DualSense controller. Now, locate the USB charging cable that came with your PS5 or any USB-C to USB-A cable you will need it. Next, power on your PlayStation 5 console and locate the front or back USB-A port. Now, take the USB-C end of your charging cable and plug it into the USB port on the top of the controller. Then, insert the USB end of the cable into one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5. On your PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings, which is the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Accessories. Then, choose Controller. Next, select Communication Method if the option is available. Change it to use USB cable if it isn't already. Now, select Wireless Controller Device Software if an update is available. The system will prompt you to update the controller's firmware. Choose Update Now, and follow the on-screen prompts. Do not disconnect the controller during the update. The update process will begin once complete. Your controller will automatically restart. Voila! Your DualSense is now updated. This is the best way to ensure your controller is up to date and ready for all the latest games and features. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.